Senzo Mewa's tombstone being destroyed. The family of later Bafana goalkeeper, Senzo Mewa, has been left with so many unanswered questions. This after his tombstone was vandalized. News that Senzo's tombstone has been vandalized started hogging social media yesterday midday. His brother, Sfiso Mewa, told Daily Sun that he received the news on Saturday morning. "I received a call from someone that my brother's tombstone has been vandalized, but at that time he was not sure." Later on, the official called to confirm that Senzo's tombstone has been destroyed. "At the moment we don't know whether this is an act of witchcraft, or if it's bad people are trying to intimidate us, or just evil and jealous people. Either way, we are shocked and left with so many unanswered questions," said Sfiso. He said that they have not opened a case. "We are still confused as to what to do next, but at the moment we haven't opened a case, but that is our intention. Otherwise, we have informed all the relevant people and we are getting some legal advice as to what to do next," said Sfiso. Chairperson of South African Football Association in KwaZulu-Natal, Quenson Ngwenya, said the act of vandalizing Senzo's tombstone is barbaric and a shame to the country. He said that they are trying to understand the motive behind this. "We are aware of this, but nobody knows who did it, how it happened, or when it was vandalized. We all got the news on Saturday morning. As KZN SAFA, we've been to the cemetery and we saw the damage. Nothing was taken, but it's completely destroyed. We have also informed the president of SAFA and all the stakeholders," said Ngwenya. "What confuses us more is the fact that the Mayville Heroes Acre Cemetery, where Senzo is buried, has security guards, and we don't understand how this happened. For now, we cannot say we shall reinstate the tombstone or not, but we can assure the family that we will not sit back and fold our arms. However, we have advised them to open a case," said Kwanzaa. Senzo's tombstone was erected and unveiled last month. The unveiling took place in Durban. It was attended by the Bafana squad, including Danny and other football officials, family and friends.
Yeah.